Hey, this is Eric with Paper Plate Food, and today we're going to be making $1 million bacon. Yes, you heard it right, $1 million bacon. No, it is not worth $1 million, nor did it cost me $1 million to make. It's just a fancy name for marketing purposes. I actually came up on this item at a restaurant. The restaurant had an item on the menu called $1 million bacon, and of course, when you see $1 million bacon on a menu, you have to order it. And it was good, but I thought to myself, I think I can make this a little bit better. So here we are. I took half the bacon from the package, sprinkled it with pepper, a generous amount of pepper, brown sugar, and cayenne pepper. That's the one thing that the restaurant $1 million bacon didn't have, and it was heat. A little bit of sweet, a little bit of spice, makes everything nice. A quick little cleanup tip, make sure when you're doing this, you put it on a rack like I have here, and line the pan below with tin foil. It'll make cleanup later much easier. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Now you're gonna flip the bacon and cover both sides. Basically rinse and repeat with the pepper, the brown sugar, and the cayenne pepper. I'm gonna fast forward this a little bit, not to bore y'all. Now that you got both sides covered, you're gonna put it in the oven for 9 minutes at around 400 degrees. Now when you take it out, it should look like this. Now if you can see the middle piece of bacon there, the one to the right, is actually a thinner piece of bacon, and it gets cooked a lot faster than the rest, and you'll see what happens now. Stick it back in the oven after you flipped them, and ta-da! Now you gotta be careful. You have to watch that last minute or so. It could go either way. It could go perfectly cooked to burnt, depending on the thickness of your bacon. So make sure you keep an eye on it when it's cooking at those last couple minutes. This is a super easy, delicious, so good, but yet so bad for you kind of foods. It is so worth to make. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. It would help me out immensely. If you haven't already, also subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon to be notified when I upload new videos. I'll be uploading new videos every single week. Hopefully more soon to come. Now go and make that bacon.